Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by confirming permissions and device selection so audio can flow. Open user settings, choose voice and video, and pick your input and output. This ensures Discord targets the right hardware. Once done, make sure your operating system has granted mic access to Discord. Without that, nothing reaches. Also, quit video callers or DAWs that lock the mic, because exclusive usage blocks Discord. Restart the app to apply changes. This clears many transient issues. Next, you'll fine-tune how Discord processes your voice so others can hear clearly. Switch input mode to push-to-talk if background noise is a problem, or voice activity for hands-free use. This choice affects latency and false triggers. Then control input sensitivity manually. Lowering the threshold prevents unwanted noise, raising it avoids clipping. Use the mic test and speak at normal volume while moving sliders, because that shows how boost and attenuation change real output. Finish by eliminating network and driver causes so the channel is stable. You should restart your router and, where possible, plug an Ethernet cable in, because Wi-Fi packet loss often ruins voice. Update your audio drivers and the Discord client to fix compatibility bugs. Once updated, relaunch the app. If issues persist, switch the voice server region or leave and rejoin the voice channel to rehandshake connections. One troubleshooting tip: if others still can't hear you, test with another device.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.